screen?
Yeah, Ravi, Sunny here. Can you hear me?
Yes, share your screen. Share your screen. Yeah. Okay, now I can see. Yeah.
So this is the calculator one.
Assignment for calculator one, correct?
Yeah, this is for calculator.
So can you explain this assignment from scratch to end, what all you did for everyone?
Yeah.
Starting from listener.
Okay, so we are exposing this as a REST service. So we have chosen listener component and have given the port, protocol port, and the base path, which becomes the REST API for us. And the path I have chosen is the / calculator. As we have 4 different conditions, whenever we have multiple conditions, we use this choice connector. So I made use of this choice connector and have given 4 different conditions. One for addition, you can see. Second one here for subtraction. Third, multiplication. And then the fourth one is division. And just in case if we are passing any other query params other than those, then I have chosen the message as invalid operation here. So you want me to run this as well, Ravi?
Yeah. So first, let's check with everyone. Is there anyone
Okay.
having doubts? So you want him to explain anything additional? If not, then yeah, you can build and you can run it.
Are we going to calculate each and every operation like addition, subtraction, everything, Ravi, or only one at a time?
Yeah. When you
Only
will
one at
test, you can test one at a time, not all at a time. Okay. In choice, whenever we are using choice, okay, only one branch will be executed. Either it will be executed first branch or second or third or fourth or default. It will not execute multiple branch at a time. Okay. So that is the limitation you can say with choice operator. Yeah, Dilip, go ahead and build this. Deploy this and run it.
Ravi, can you upload yesterday's video, Ravi?
Yeah, yesterday one I missed. So just after this class, I will upload today and yesterday.
Yeah, so this is deploy. The operation that I'm giving is multiplication. First number is 25. The second number will be 4. Yeah, so the result of 25 and 4 gives you 100. Make this 24. And now the result is 4. Subtraction of if we give any other than these four operations, say percentage, then the result will be invalid operation, as I have given that in the default transform message. Is this okay?
Yeah. So anyone has any doubt on this part? If not, then I think we are good with the first assignment. So in chat, how many of you have completed this assignment? Put yes, and how many of you haven't completed? Put no. Let me see. What is the everyone just put yes if you have completed this assignment. If no, then put it no.
Yeah, hi Ravi. Actually, I'm getting some connection issue. So could you please help me to resolve that?
Okay.
I already posted in the chat as well. I mean, I'm getting some tooling issue.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see that one. So I can see many
Yes.
people like you haven't completed. Okay, for all of you people like who are not doing assignment, at this moment everything is fine, but later on you will face problem. Okay, since these are basic, this will help you to create your basic concept. Okay. If you will not make clear of your basic concept, then later on you will face difficulties. And these assignments are very straightforward and simple assignment. If you will put 1 hour also, that should be good enough to complete these 3 assignment. So I'm not sure, like it's on not for one day, for every day. If you are not doing assignment together, at the end of this month, you are going to lose your 30,000. Since this learning, MuleSoft learning is not based on the theoretical concept. Okay, it's based on the practice. Okay, once you will start doing practice, many things you will start learning by yourself also. But if you will just watch me and you will just follow me, you will get idea for one time. Okay, and after 1 month everything will be vanished. Okay, so at the end you are just going to lose your money. So I will not suggest you that. Must do assignment together. In worst case, if it will be delayed by 1 day 2 day, that should be fine, but try to follow and try to do in same day. Okay, just after class also, if you will spend 1 hour, that will be good enough. Once project will be assigned, project will start, then you need to put more effort. But until unless we are going with training, you don't need to put much effort. 1 hour in a day should be good enough. Okay, fine. So today, if you have missed it, that's fine. But from tomorrow onward, don't miss it. Like do all the assignment together only. That will help you to understand current concept plus upcoming concept also. Things will be related now. Okay. So today we worked on choice. Means yesterday we worked on choice, and today I'm going to work on 3 more component which is similar to choice, which will give you, if you have done choice, then that next learning will be more easy for you. Fine. So I think someone asked me he is facing some tooling issue. Can you share your screen?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, I'm just sharing.
Yeah. But for doubt session, actually, I will just see it if I can fix it quickly. If not, then we'll take it in doubt session tomorrow. Only for Sunday, we will not have doubt session. Okay, since most of the people who are working with me on Sunday, they used to take leave. So, but from Monday to Saturday, you will get doubt session. People will be there. Yeah. So first, uh, Yeah, you can ask your doubt for the at this moment, but next day onward, I will take doubt in your doubt session. Yeah, please share your screen.
Yes, yes, oh, yes. Yes, Ravi, here, I mean, while testing my connection, it's giving some.
Okay, can you go to global element? Click on global element. There on the message flow, then yes. Wait, click on that of global. So you can see here you configure listener 2 times. Okay, just delete one last listener. Just delete last listener. First select that last. Yeah, yeah. Now double click on the first listener. Double click on that.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, otherwise click on edit. You can see create, edit, delete is there. Click on edit.
Yes, it's opened actually, Ravi. Yeah, I have double clicked and
Okay, but
I'm
I
just
can't see
trying
that
to test
pop-up.
now.
Yeah, but that pop-up is not visible to me. I'm not sure for other people they can see pop-up or not. Have you shared entire screen or have you shared
Yes,
only?
Ravi.
Okay, I can't see
No,
that
I have
pop-up.
shared entire screen.
Okay, just test it and now see is it working on.
And the meanwhile, I mean, Ravi, actually, I have another doubt actually. So we have two places in the path section. I mean, what is the difference between the base path and the only path?
Okay,
So we have a
so
path
base
under
path, see,
the connector connection.
yeah.
I mean, under
So
connector configuration, we have one path, and then out
yeah,
of that, in the general, we have another path. So what
yeah.
was the difference between these two?
Let me take one real life example only. Okay, so there can be there can be two combination. One is you are living inside one society and you have house number, correct? So base
Okay,
path will be your society name and path will be your house number, correct? And if you are
okay,
living instead of that, like you can give direct name also like society plus your house number. Okay. It's up to you. You want to split name with society name first and then flat number, or you can give together also society name and flat number. So society name is nothing but its base path, and then flat number is your path.
okay, okay,
It's up to you. You want to split or you want to make it together.
okay, understand.
And that entire thing, com combining this base path and path is known as URI, unique resource identifier.
Okay, okay. And one more, as you said, I mean, there will be a mule event when, I mean, will be there in every component. And then can
Yes.
you please help me to show, I mean, keep rotate, right? I mean, can you show
Okay.
me how
Okay.
mule event
I will
will
show it.
keep rotating?
I will show it. So your test
Again,
connection what?
yeah, again, it's saying test connection failed, tooling instant is not available.
Okay. Okay. So far you deleted that, but you haven't saved it. Can you save it and can you test it again?
Okay, 1 second.
So in top left corner, you can see 4, 5 options are there. Yeah. Click next
Yes,
one.
yes,
Next one. Yeah. Then fine. Yeah.
okay.
Now try to test it again.
Same issue, Ravi. I mean, you were able to see my screen?
Oh, that pop-up I am nervous. Anyone else can see his pop-up?
No, Ravi.
No, Ravi.
No,
Pop-up is
Ravi.
not
It's
visible.
not visible to us.
I'll do one thing. I'll stop my screen and share again.
Okay, so what I will suggest now, this one I will take in doubt session. Okay, if I will take now,
Okay.
then entire class will be like we will spend time in this part only. So doubts like our regular class will be impacted. Okay, definitely I will take this in doubt session. And meanwhile, if you
Yeah,
want
please,
to
please.
just yeah, if you just want to escape this problem, create new project and do it again. Okay,
Okay.
there
Yeah.
should be some minor mistake which you did. I need to figure out that one. Okay, so two things we can do,
Will-
either I can find out that
Yeah.
problem or you can create new application and you can proceed.
I have done that also actually.
Okay, after creating new, then there should be some issue with your installation that I need to check. Okay, if you did already new application also, then definitely
Yes.
there should be some issue with your studio installation. So have you followed, like, have you kept that particular project in C drive?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Okay, okay, then I will take in doubt session.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, coming to second project, anyone has created that second project? Please share your screen.
Ravi, do we need to use choice route only for all three tasks or anything is fine?
If required, okay, I like if you learn choice, that doesn't means everything you have to include choice. Okay, so if required, then you need to put choice. If not, then you can skip. Okay. Yesterday we learned one concept, and I given 3 assignment based on the learning whatever we did so far from starting till this point. So that doesn't means that assignment must need to include choice router. It may be or it may not be. Are you clear with that?
Yeah, Ravi. Yesterday I didn't join the class, so I'm not sure whether we need to use for these all three tasks. We need to use choice or I'm not clear about that assignment actually. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay, okay. It's not mandatory. If that required, like now everyone has concept of choice, how choice is working. If you think choice is required, then only you need to use. If not, then no need to use. Okay. Anyone has done second assignment? Please share your screen.
I have done right.
Yeah, share your screen. Yes.
My share is right.
Yes. Yes, I can see.
This one is. Can I explain?
I can see your screen, but I can see Microsoft Team page only. I can't see your AnyPoint Studio. So whenever you are sharing your screen, at that time it will ask you what you want to share. So select full screen. Stop it and share it again.
Ravi, I have one doubt, Ravi. So
Yes, Udit.
can we have multiple listeners in the same application?
You can, technically you can do, okay, but practically you will not encounter this kind of scenario. In practical, like in real-time project, you will not get multiple listener for same mule application. But technically you can do, only thing you need to change port. Okay. All
Okay,
listeners should have different port.
got it.
Sorry.
Okay. So can you explain everything starting from listener, what all you did? What is the assignment? First explain the assignment and then explain the solution, what you did.
Your assignment is age between 18 and 45. The age below 18 is we have put eligible. For more than 18, we have to show not eligible. For that purpose, I took listener here and I these are the configurations. Protocol HTTP protocol and the local host. Port number is 8082 and 8081 is not working for me. So I put 8082 and I gave base path here, base path as B flow. Then okay, next. So I took choice router here. Why I choose this one is I have two operations here. One is below 18 and second one is after 18. For that I choose choice router. So the in when condition I write like this: attributes dot query params dot is as number. We it is as number is mandatory here. Otherwise, you take it as string. So for that purpose, I took as number here and less than or equal to 18 as number. Here also put 18 as a number here. Like that, in transfer message, card eligible. I put the message like this: eligible. Second one, same code, and I put greater than here. For this, I not eligible. This is the code. So I click on the run project. That will take some time.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think he has given condition reverse, I think to be.
You can click on that condition again.
Less than or equal to 18.
Less than equal to 18 as number. So what you are doing? Click on transform
Eligible.
message. Yeah, it's a reverse. So for eligible, it should be more than 18. It
Okay.
should be greater. Condition should be greater than equals to 18.
Okay, that. But thing is, we have to do this.
The only condition you need to change. It should be instead of less than equals to, it should be greater than equals to.
Orange message.
Okay, fine. Let it be. So everyone clear it at partner. Let it deploy. So only result will come different. Otherwise, implementation wise, it's correct only.
Hmm. This is deployed.
Now test it.
I change my yes,
Okay.
not
So for
eligible.
56, it should be ineligible, correct? Not
Yeah.
in, yeah. So he did everything correct, only except the condition part. Okay, he did in reverse order, so should be fine. Hope everyone got the understanding. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's, if anyone has any query, you can ask quickly.
Uh, Ravi, can you just do a quick recap of 5 minutes? I mean, I was not able to attend yesterday class.
Yesterday one, okay, okay, I will do recap, but do you have any doubt on this part?
No doubt. I mean, like,
Yeah, I will do recap. Let him explain first. Okay, let's
okay,
go for third assignment first, and then I will do recap.
okay.
Okay, so you can, anyone has completed third assignment?
I
Okay,
completed, Ravi.
I think it's already 30 minutes past, so let it be. For third assignment, we'll check later. Okay, so let me share my screen now. Let's go with today's session. So, okay, so yesterday we learned about this choice operation. Okay, choice flow controller. Okay, so what this will do? So here you can see we have multiple branches. Okay, so for each branch we will have one condition. You can see here we have condition here. So what will happen whenever there will be choice router? It will keep checking condition from top to bottom. Okay, so if this condition will match, so what we are checking here inside this attribute dot query parameter, inside query parameter, if operation equals to addition, then go to this branch. If operation is to equals to subtraction, then go to this branch. And if neither addition nor subtraction, then go to this branch. Okay, default one. If none of the condition will meet, then it will go to default one. Okay, and whenever you will configure choice router, it must have one branch and one default branch. It's mandatory to have two branch. One is default and one is non-default branch. Okay, but you can add as per your requirement. You can add n number of branches. Okay, so here we had three conditions. Either it will be addition or subtraction or other. Okay, but other people did for multiplication division also. So that's why you will able to see 5 branch there. One for addition, one for subtraction, one for multiplication, one for division, and then another one is default. So in addition, what we are doing, we are reading those two value, first number. So whatever first number we will get as a string. Okay, whatever data we are passing to this stereo, by default it will be converted into string. So you be using as number, we converted into integer. And then same I did for second number also. Okay, and then using this plus operator, we are adding this first number and second number. Okay, and then we will store inside result. So if operation will be addition, then what we will do, in result we will add first number and second number and we will send. If it is subtraction, then in result we will minus first number with second number and we will send in result. So we use this choice router to perform this operation. Create one simple calculator. Okay, now what I will do inside this core component. So you can see here we have choice. Okay, choice is first option. Then we have first successful, round robin, and scatter gather also. Here also we can create multiple branches. Okay, so what will be major difference here? So let me create new mule application. Sorry.
I have one doubt.
Yeah.
We
Yes,
are passing the data in query parameter, so it takes as a string. For suppose if you pass the data as a payload, so it will take as a number, right? If you pass the number.
Yeah, correct. So here, when you like first thing, I'm exposing our API as a REST API. So I use this scheduler and then I will configure. I will use default one. And then in path, I will give first success. Okay. So here, go to core component. First successful. So in first successful also, we have similar thing. You can create a number of branches. Okay. So what I will do, let me put transform here. Let me put another transform in another branch. So you can see here, we have multiple branches here. Okay. In case of first successful also, we have multiple branches. In case of choice, what will happen? It will keep checking the condition. Okay. It will, here you can see we have condition. If this condition will match, then this will execute. If this condition will match, then this will execute. If this condition will match, then this will execute. Means if none of the condition will match, then this will execute default one. But in case of first successful, what will happen? Whenever request will come, first it will go here. If it is successful, then it will not go here and here. But if it will fail, then it will go to second one. Okay. Again, if new request will come, always it will go here. If it will fail, then it will go here. If this will also fail, then it will go to third branch. Okay. So what it will do, from top to bottom, it will keep going in different, like if you, it will keep going to different branch only if previous branch will fail. Okay. So let's say here, branch one. Okay. Branch two. Three. Okay. Save this and deploy this application.
Let's tap it.
So this is the endpoint of this API. Let me call this API. So you can see here, branch one got executed. Yeah. So where we are displaying this digit as a branch one here. If this will be executed, then digit will be branch two. If this will be executed, then digit will be branch three. Okay. So you can see here, every time we will make this call, we will get digit branch one. Okay. Since every time that branch one is successful. Now what I will do, I will make some failure in branch one. Okay. So to make this failure, what I will do, let me put something, and failure will be 10 divided by 0. Okay. In MuleSoft also, similar to other programming language, if you divide any number by 0, it will give you error. Okay. Since this programming language is not able to handle infinite value, if you divide any number by 0, it will give you infinite value. Okay, which will not be handled by MuleSoft also. So it will create one error. If there will be any failure in this branch, okay, then here. So let's see in debug mode. Add breakpoint here. Go to Postman. And I made this request. Request came here. Now first it will go to branch one only. Okay, but branch one failed. Oh, I haven't saved it. Sorry, it's not saved yet. So let me save it again. Then let it deploy the application. Automatically deployment will start after a small change and if you are saving application.
Ravi,
Yes.
so when you do all of these three steps, it doesn't make the system slower or the process slower. I'm just curious. Like if
Okay.
it does go
So
through
I'm running
every
only
single
one
of those
application
steps.
at a time. I'm not running all three applications at a time. I'm running only one. Okay. If you want to see how I'm running only one, go to run configuration. Okay. So here you can see for each application, this is getting created, mule application. At this moment, we are running this. Only selected one is this. If you want to run all three, okay, then you need to checkbox, select this also, this also. Then it will run all three applications. But by default, it will select only same application what you are deploying. Is it clear?
Yeah, but what I was asking is like if it does go to, why is that like, does it has to be going to one branch, like, does it has to be going to the branch, or what I mean on, does it has to go in a specific way, or just try and error
Okay.
like in every branch?
First,
I don't get
whatever
why.
component you can see here, okay, whatever component you can see here, all component has some capability. Okay, they have some functionality. Okay, so based on this function, like they have designed their compiler in such a way, different component will perform different operation. So first we went through choice. So what choice was doing? Okay, in choice, what it was doing, once it will get the, once you will configure choice, you will have multiple branch and you need to give condition there. Okay, wherever it will match the condition, it will go to that particular branch. This is the property of this choice component. If you go to first successful component, then this component has its property. Whenever request will come, this component will send that request to first branch always. If this branch will fail, then only it will send to second branch. This is the property of this particular component. They they have designed their compiler in such a way. Okay, so whenever request will come
Oh,
to this,
okay.
is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now let me send the request. So first it will go to first branch only, but now we have written database there in such a way it will create error. Okay, we got error. If we will get error, then only it will go to second branch. Okay, it went to second branch and it will complete the processing. Done. We will get here branch 2. Now every time whenever you will make request, if it is failing in first branch, then it will go to second branch. If it will not fail, then it will continue with first branch only. Now what I will do, in second branch also I will create error. Same way I will create 10 divided by 0. Okay, so let it deploy. So this deployment is done. Okay. So let me test it now. So this time, first it will go to branch 1. It will fail. It will go to branch 2. It will fail. It will go to branch 3. It will successful. It's done. If this branch will also fail, then entire component will also fail. If any of this successful, then fine. But if this third branch will also fail, this component will also fail, and our mule application will also fail. Okay. So this is the capability of this particular component, where it will have multiple branches. If any of the parent branch will fail, then request will go to child branch, and child branch will serve that request. Everyone clear with this property? Next, we have round robin. Okay, so it's similar to this first successful. So in round robin, again, I will configure this listener. Round robin. So here, what will happen? Let's say we have 3 branch here. Branch 1, branch 2. So by name also, it's this property, this component is should be clear, but still I will show you one working example. You will get more clarity. So let me run this. First, let me stop all the application if anything is running.
Means branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, again it will come to branch 1.
Yeah, so what will happen in case of round robin? When you will make first request, it will go to branch 1. When you will make second request, it will go to branch 2. When you will make third request, it will go to branch 3. When you will make fourth request, we don't have fourth branch, so again it will go to first branch. Fifth request, again second. Sixth request, again third. Seventh request, again first. Okay, in this way, in round robin fashion, it will keep executing the branch.
Then when it will come out?
Okay, come out means after completion of this branch, it will come out. It will not go for branch 2.
Okay.
Okay, means after going to branch 1, it will complete the process done. Next request, I mentioned next request. Second request,
Okay.
that will come and that will go only for branch 2 and done. Third
When
request,
we send the request only, then it will go, otherwise it will stop.
yes. So this time, if you will call this duplicate, so if you will call first time, you can see it went to branch 1, this branch. this one. If you will call this second time, it went to branch 2, this branch. And in third time, it will go to this branch 3. Now again, fourth time, it will go to branch 1. Since we don't have fourth branch, so it will go to top one again. So it will keep rotating in round robin fashion. Everyone clear with this?
If any error in the branch, any branch, it will result the error, right, Ravi?
Sorry, when?
If suppose first time I send the request, it will go to branch 1.
Yes.
If branch 1 has some error, then
Yeah,
the response will be error response, right?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Ravi, like just in case if none of the condition matches, so in that case it
Here,
will
no
be
condition
invalid loop.
checking. Here it will not. Do we have any condition? For choice router, we have condition.
Okay.
For round robin and for another one, what we did, first successful, we don't have any condition.
Okay.
Okay. So now one important thing, like so far in my 3 year of career, I haven't used, not 3 year, more than 4 year in MuleSoft. I never used round robin and first successful. Okay. And this choice router I'm using in almost every application. Wherever I developed application, almost 95% cases I use this choice. Okay. It doesn't mean you don't need to learn this first successful and round robin. You should know this kind of component exists, but use case wise in real time, you will very rarely you will use round robin or first successful. Okay. But for each application, at least one time you will use this choice. Everyone clear what I mean to say? In practical way, when you will start working for project, this component will be frequently used. This two component will be very rarely used. Again, for scatter gather, this will be frequent used component, which we will cover tomorrow. Since it has many concepts, so we will cover tomorrow. So far, anyone has any doubt? Let me know.
Yeah, Ravi. Just a curious question. In the round robin, can we identify the number of the requests that we are giving?
In round robin, member.
The request, the count of the requests that we are giving. Can we identify that?
Means any limit of the request.
No. Say if we are giving the request for the 15th time,
Yes.
can we identify that this request is the 15th request or like we can't identify?
No, session kind of thing we don't have in Microsoft. Okay, fine then. So for today, we will end here only. But from next Saturday, Sunday, we will have 3 hour session. Okay. So today I have as I mentioned earlier also, one of my real-time project is going on. So today is last date for that. Okay. Today I will complete that one. And from next Saturday, Sunday, we will have 3 hour. So from next Saturday, Sunday, be prepared for that. Means mentally be ready for that. But it will not be much boring. So you have seen like we completed 1 hour, and I don't think anyone is feeling boring. So it will be interesting only. We will keep learning things in practical way. So you will get better understanding also, and you will not feel bored. So 3 hour will not be very difficult, but yeah, we will see. Okay, fine then. So for today we are good. Tomorrow I will arrange doubt session. Okay, since I see now few people are looking for doubt session. Let me try to do in morning first. If not, then evening definitely it will be. And in tomorrow, okay, tomorrow I'm not sure I will able to take evening session or not. I will keep up posting in group. In worst case, if I will not able to make, then I will keep posting. Or maybe I can take from 7. I have to go outside. I will go early only, but while returning, I'm not sure about traffic. If I will be late, then I will cancel the session for tomorrow. If not, then we'll continue. Yeah, I will keep posting in group, but doubt session will be definitely tomorrow. Okay. And one more thing, for doubt session, I will not be there. Okay. But if something really need me, like means there will be few people who are working with me. They are good enough to like they are good. They have good knowledge in MuleSoft, and they are good enough to handle all your doubts. But in worst case, if required, then I will also join. I will keep posting for doubt session timing and everything. And maybe in next 30 minutes, you will get today and tomorrow, yesterday and today video. Okay, fine then.
Okay.